We cook every meal with lots of love and care. Our family totally depends on us when it comes to food, and that too healthy and hygienic food. We take so much care while cooking food. Why not to be careful while storing all our food, whether it is raw or cooked? Food storage is not that difficult task. Only thing is we need to choose right container for our kitchen. For instance, I heard from many people that we should not use plastic, but do you know all plastics are not bad? We need to learn which plastic container is of good quality, and we have to use only durable plastic containers. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Actually, I also love glassware and ceramics, but many times it is not comfortable to use these containers for every food. For instance, instead of storing milk in traditional way like in a steel bowl, we can use glass bottles, and it is very easy to store them in fridge and they occupy less space. But our daily grocery item like rice and pulses are not practical to store in glassware. There is always a fear of breaking those glassware daily. I use these very strong and unbreakable airtight plastic containers for storing all my grocery items like all types of pulses and rice. You need to select the size of the container as per the quantity of food you use daily. If you consume them more often, then select big containers and store good quantity of the particular food item. I really like these containers because they are very easy to use and wash, and because they are stackable, it's easy to store them in pantry and they will occupy very less space. These are airtight glass containers, very good to store biscuits and cookies without any fear of getting any moisture inside. In fact, you can store any savory food item too in these glass jars. I am using these different size of glass jars for biscuits and dry fruits. Snacks like cookies, chips, biscuits, we mostly don't eat daily, but we always buy them in good quantity so that we can use them for our small hunger in between the meals. So, when we use airtight glass jars for such food, they will remain fresh for long time. Dry fruits also need a container in which there is no chance of moisture getting inside, and they will remain crunchy and do not leave their freshness at all. So for me, these containers are perfect for storing dry fruits and cookies. Now, how to keep these jars safely? I am using this big tray and placing it on counter, and I will keep my cookie and dry fruit jars over here. It is easy to grab them from here, and because I kept it low, there is less chance of things accidentally falling down. Along with glass jars, I am placing my ceramic jars also at the same place. They will look nice when arranged together. Third type of container I like to use for snacks, especially savory items, is this metal container. Their lids do not have that silicone wire, but they are airtight. I am using these containers for savory snacks, and they remain fresh for very long time. You can also try these containers. I will provide link in the video's description. You can check if you wish to buy. Fourth type of container which I am using to store food is again a airtight plastic container, but they are small in size. Items which I use rarely I store in these containers. They are also stackable and very easy to store anywhere in your kitchen. I am using them to store sabudana, yellow peas and dal etc., which we use once in 15 days or so. They look very cute and due to their square shape, very easy to stack them upon each other. I would like to recommend a shopping website, that is MeraLink shopping app, which is very user friendly and provides free delivery, free cash on delivery and easy returns and replacement. Please check the website detail and you can buy many products at very reasonable price. Find the link in the description box below. If you want, you can shop through WhatsApp link also. Now let's talk about how we can store leftover food in a very hygienic way. I like these airtight glass containers with airtight lid to store any type of cooked food or sweets. They are highly recommended because they are odor free, dishwasher safe and microwave safe also. So it becomes very easy to store cooked food in these containers. You can directly put them in the microwave from fridge. Remove the lid before placing them in microwave. I use them normally to store sweets, leftover food and even curd and chutneys. On the lid there is a small vent given to let the steam out before you put them in the fridge. Also, it's very easy to wash them. Its silicone wire removes easily. Wash them with soft brush and avoid using very hard and rough brush. Hope you enjoyed the video and liked the idea of storing food in healthy and hygienic way. See you soon in the next video tomorrow same time with lots of other new ideas.